one of these markets are lying. I genuinely feel like it.
Realistically, only time will tell.
Yeah, I mean, we can't even you can't predict it. It's gotta wait. On the hourly, I don't really see if we were to retrace lower, I don't really see where we could unless it's this smaller 1 hour gap. We have this small 1 hour,
3 a.m.
both.
gap.
Yeah, or no, it'll be
7
7
a.m.
a.m.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
ES also inverse that leg, so that could maybe NQ's just lagging behind, but ES inverse that entire leg towards all-time highs, which looks solid. NQ is just a little behind that. I mean, yeah, if we come lower, I would expect us to hold the hourly. I wouldn't want to short through the hourly.
No, yeah, I agree.
And low key, yesterday, low key made me remember why I wait for gaps to close, because we dumped through that 4 hour you had mentioned, that small 4 hour, but then we didn't close it. We held it.
Yep. And that's what ultimately sent us higher for the rest of the day.
Yeah. So, I mean, yeah, that shit was kind of crazy. So, I mean, when it comes to the hourly, I would wait, even for higher, forget what day was it, but there was a day where I wanted higher, and I was waiting for the hourly to inverse, and then 10 a.m. didn't close it, and then the longs played out really weird.
Okay.
But yeah,
Right
basically.
Now, right now I'm
Just
seeing SMT on both sides.
The SMT from the bottom all the way down at the bottom, from London, depending how you look at it, I guess you could say delivered. I guess I wouldn't consider it delivering until we take the draw though.
The full all-time highs.
Yeah.
Even though after we put that SMT in, we delivered and put another SMT with that high.
I just think that SMT at the top is just due to discorrelation. But then at this point, then you would just look for more strong confirmation for higher at that point, just because we do have that SMT.
Yeah, totally fair. Agreed.
But realistically, on this leg up here, I wouldn't expect us to short unless maybe unless this hourly is going to hold, but then we would get clean confirmation if that's the case.
All right.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like London low looks protected just the way it printed, coming down with the SMT, and then this kind of rejection candle here, and then it just sparks an insane move.
No, I agree, honestly.
Only thing that would be fried, we could only be slow just because overnight moved down 430 points and then bought back up, another 350-ish, I think.
Yeah.
370 almost, yeah.
I'm going to be watching the 15-minute where midnight open is. The 7.
Okay, I see that.
Yeah, I like that for value gap. I want to see us.
705 is right in that gap.
Would you look at that?
If you take the 15-minute fib, bottom or width to body high, same thing for the 5-minute. Realistically, if you do the same thing, 705 is in a good area. Yeah, right on midnight, and weekly opens right there too at 403.
But and previous day high is right there too.
Oh yeah, it's a fact that wick. That might be different actually. Yeah. And then technically we come down. That would be inside the hourly. We could wick the hourly with those fibs.
Here's market open.
Let's see it. This would be a nice manipulation into those levels.
I would like that.
We just got to monitor that 1 hour with them as well. ES's 1 hour is much cleaner in terms of the size of the gap. Kind of see what happens here. We do have SMT now at these kind of range lows there.
Just have the 1 hour gap there.
Yep. Holy candle. Yo.
Holy.
70.1 minute candle. All right, let's see. We tapped 618 there.
Yep.
The higher time frame. I do want to see us come down into midnight and like that 15-minute and that 705.
ES looks weak as hell.
Yeah, this looks super heavy. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. ES tapped into that area where 705 would be on NQ.
But we just tapped it there, I think, on NQ. Yeah.
Yeah, we just got it now. Like holy candles, like.
Let's see if we get some sort of a reaction down here.
Yeah, ideally react like from here, or like 7-9 would be the last area I'd want to see us push. Let me turn on these falling profiles. All right, we tap 7-9 here now. Yep. This looks like heavy as shit though. Yep. All right, let's see. ES just wicked off a weekly open there too. Let's see, 15. It's inside of that like lower 15, that last one in the leg. Honestly, this would be where we'd have to bounce if we're gonna go higher.
Agreed, yeah. Completely agreed. Definitely want to see something here.
Yeah.
Good shit order. That's nice.
Interesting, like little reaction here. Kind of like stall that move down for now. Holding that. So like this leg down here is technically like I guess like we're in like a good like discount and like order block and caps.
Yeah.
We just need to see like a strong bounce from it.
Yeah. Definitely before 10 a.m. too.
Yeah.
I want to see this 1 hour hold.
Yeah, we should ideally start trading back above. It would be nice.
Is that first presented that we just tapped?
Yeah. Yes, didn't make it though.
No.
We just have that huge 930 gap.
Yep. Ideally, probably re-sweep the lows one more time and then give us some sort of a reaction on a lower time frame.
Honestly, yeah. I mean, unless we just want to actually just hold weak and, trade down to London, which, I mean, if we do, like London's a good ways away. Like we're going to know if it's valid to short down. It's still like 180 points down. Realistically, I think if this fib fails, like I would kind of assume we're not going to bounce.
Yeah, no.
Which, like, we're definitely blasting through the fib now.
Yeah.
See this hourly on NQ, we're slammed to the hourly. We have another one down here that we're coming up on. So if we were to short to London, like we would have to like this next hourly we're coming to, would have to flush through like the one above us. I'm gonna take a fib of like the entire leg from London up on a 15. So 618 is that hourly fill, and then 705 at 289. If you take like the whole leg as a retrace, this looks like we're just like dumping holy.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Let's see what London is. Yes.
Yeah, same Rohan. I want to see us get some sort of a reaction, but maybe we sweep out all these internal lows. There's a 1 hour. There's another 1 hour right here. Could find some support here, but
yeah, this if you take like the whole like the entire leg from London up, like the fib 618 is this hourly here.
Okay.
If you were to just use like the entire leg up,
this could be the next area.
Yeah.
Alright, there's a tab. Let's see.
We do have like SMT overall, so as NQ goes lower, like we keep creating new SMTs.
True that.
So So ES would have to move 20 points down almost to break this SMT on the bottom. So we'll see if we do find some support in this 1 hour. We edge 618 in the 1 hour. Let's see. Let's get up. This 5 minutes gonna leave behind the biggest gap ever. But this current candle, like this 930 candle, really doesn't have like a top wick, like a huge top wick.
Yeah, it literally just opened up and fucking displaced.
Mm-hmm. So that could be a signal that we do end up reversing low key. Come back up and like make like a proper wick at least on that candle.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna start executing live with executions on and everything.
That's solid. It'll make you take like less.
Yeah, way less trades, and I agree. Yeah. I think I'm gonna starting next week. I'm gonna.
Yeah, it's solid.
Honestly, Rohan, we stopped doing the TikTok live only because like we're just doing it for the Discord now. Damn, dude.
So well, all of a sudden today we want to hold every 1 minute retrace.
Yeah, like holy shit.
We just want to move ever so clean to the downside. We did tap 618 there finally.
Okay.
And 705's at 289. But honestly, like if these fibs here break, like it's probably gonna slam for London, which is 185.
Yeah, this looks bearish as fuck, honestly.
I mean, low key, the 7.9 fib at 259 could break, and then like you could still form a trade to London because it's still gonna be like 70 points down.
Oh, definitely, yeah, 100%.
So we'll see. Also see if like we just end up flushing through this hourly. I mean, this hourly candle looks brutal. I mean, realistically, we're holding the SMT up top, like you mentioned.
Mm-hmm.
This candle is insane. Look at the 15-minute.
It's actually insane.
Like, holy shit. Let's see. We also tapped, I think we tapped a small 15 here on NQ, yeah. Small 15-minute tap. And then we still just have like SMT with ES. Like ES is just holding up higher.
Mm-hmm.
Correlated, but holding higher.
God, this is amazing.
Yeah, it's actually crazy. We either chop or we just do some shit like this where it's like,
It's crazy.
even if you were to have taken like entry, where would you have entered anything here?
It beats me.
Like confidently, because like realistically, like every leg down is putting us into like a bullish like area.
I don't even know, honestly.
Honestly, I mean, yeah, I mean, you mentioned SMT up top. Maybe that SMT is truly gonna send price.
I mean, the way that we're displacing right now, honestly, yeah.
It definitely looks like it. I mean, I feel like if we were gonna bounce, we would have seen some stalling start to happen.
Definitely agreed.
But we're just blasting through these bullish areas now.
Order Dodgy took that. That was a good
Took
one.
what?
What order took?
Oh, let me see. Oh, the pre-market entry.
Yeah.
Yeah, damn, I guess that wasn't bad at all. I guess everything technically aligned over there, realistically. I don't know. It's just like, that's just odd. Like, the leg did not look to be bearish to me whatsoever. Besides, like, that SMT, really. It's the only thing.
Yeah, honestly, it's great. I don't know.
Like London slow grinded all that price, and then New York opens up and sells it off within 15 minutes.
Yeah, it's fucked, honestly.
I mean, at this point, do we assume London? What do we think about that?
Just logging in 1 second, and then I'm gonna check. I haven't even checked the chart.
No problem. We're at 7:05 now of this like tire leg on the higher time frame. 7:05. So yeah, like on the 15, I took the fib from London low to the body high at the top, like 8:15, and yeah, we're at 7:05 now. SMT with ES. It's honestly, it's a pretty like significant SMT. NQ is way weaker. I'm not looking at the port either.
Dude, port's cooked. Alright.
They're taking profits from the earnings.
Seriously, though.
Dude, Meta, I don't know, man. I think I'm gonna end up cutting Meta eventually.
You think so?
They're a bucket, bro. It's like they're the only name that just can't build strength. They just get hit every chance they get hit.
Yeah.
I don't know. All right, starting to see some stalling down here after that 7:05 tab. Okay. It's kind of like the last resort area for price to bounce if we're going to.
We got 18 minutes left in this 1 hour, too.
Yeah, good shot. See, this would be the last gap in the leg on the hourly that could hold us higher. Otherwise, we are getting into like low resistance sell side.
Territory, yeah.
Yeah, I went from being down only like 1.5% on Meta before their earnings to being down 12 now.
Holy shit.
They got fucking rinsed.
Wow.
Mark Zuckerberg is a LARP.
That's actually kind of insane.
Genuinely is. Everything else has a vertical down candle. All right, let's see. It's actually not terrible to start this reaction.
V-shape looking. 2 minutes.
We're just coming back into that huge 5.
I know.
But,
yeah.
Like, I don't hate this reaction from the bottom so far.
It is a pretty strong reaction.
Off 7:05, higher time frame. Let's see.
2 minutes.
So yeah, so ES only traded down into like equilibrium compared to NQ. I want to see this be the start of the move.
Yeah. If we can create the CISD, I'll probably take the CISD, honestly.
I'm gonna see that's valid.
We flipped the 2 minute. Well, actually, I mean, honestly, the 1 minute is probably the best entry because you would go break even at this 5 minute internal.
Yeah, you go break into the 5 minute, and then what would you target? Like just back in the hive day?
Yeah, or like
That double smart for the range highs.
Or honestly, like, I don't even know. Considering like the long opportunity would have been on the inverse.
Mm.
We have, what is this, 4:30 midnight open at like 4:10. I don't know. Honestly, I'm not really trying to catch falling knife though. Also, you know.
Yeah, no, I definitely can wait for some more confirmation.
Yeah. Could target midnight open, 4:10.
Midnight open at 4:10. I mean, yeah, like that and like the internal high.
Mm-hmm.
I think. I mean, if price holds volume and like this reversal forms nice, in a perfect world, it would send us up to all-time highs.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna try this. 1 minute CISD here.
But yeah, just like a paper entry.
Let's see if we get some follow through.
I do like the area we're bouncing from. We have SMT. We're coming off fibs. 1 hour gap. Last gap in the leg. So like super discounted area. And I mean that 5 minute gap is so huge. I would realistically expect us to retrace like relatively deep into it and not just like, you know, tick it and come down.
Well, we might
Yes.
just do just that. Yeah.
Yes, dead ass tap the gap and it's gonna do that shit.
Just got fucking destroyed on that already. That's actually insane, dude.
No fucking shot, right?
It's unbelievable.
No fucking way.
Dude, honestly, my trading has just been terrible. Like, a 5 minute, there was an SMT there. Like, 1 minute flip down. This is the trade now down.
That's insane.
Or no.
Wait, actually?
ES held the gap. I don't even know, bro. Honestly. I'm not. I took that one. I'm done. That's it. That was probably the fastest loss I've ever taken, honestly.
Yeah, that shit. Like, that shit really just formed the SMT and just flips immediately off the shit.
Yeah, this was the trade. The 1 minute down SMT from the 5 minute.
Wait, where'd you have your stop for this?
Just at the internal, like after we tapped the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just right there.
Oh, okay, I see.
I wanted to see this just run higher.
I want to see if this 5 minute wick holds. So that's the wick coming out of the hourly.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing with this like previous 15, or no, this is the current 15. So it'll just be this 5 minute wick. That's insane. They don't even give you a chance on these entries anymore.
That was so brutal, bro.
Like, honestly, since that 1 week where M&Q was like making those weird spikes, I've been like just widening my stop just in case of that bullshit happening.
Dude, also like I've been trading honestly NQ more because M&Q has been wiki, like so wiki.
Yeah, it's been odd. A lot of like discorrelation between minis and micros too recently.
Mm-hmm.
I still can't tell if we'll go for London. Like, we're still just hovering in the hourly overall.
Yeah.
Just like 10 minutes till it closes. Yes. So ES never even made it down to that hourly gap. True. I don't know how valid like 1 minute fibs are, but like this little leg down hit 7-9 in that 5 minute wick.
Yep. That looks nice. Let's see. I don't know. I'm fried for the day. I'm done.
Yes, valid. We're in the macro, so hopefully we don't just die out, even regardless of what direction we're going to move. SMTs have actually been working lately. I mean, SMTs always work. They just like require some discretion because not every SMT is a valid SMT.
Yeah. 1 hour's holding, 15 minutes holding.
Yeah. That's the only reason I just wouldn't want to short. It's just because like we're just stalled like in these like bullish areas after that huge move down. if 10 a.m. like opens and this 1 hour ends up getting closed, then like we probably do just end up trading down to London. I guess we'll see in 8 minutes. Good. Wait, we had 8:30 news. Let's see, what did that do? That candle doesn't even look real. That's like nothing. Wow.
Yeah, this just looks weak, honestly. We're gonna fly to this.
Yeah. It definitely looks like we're probably gonna close it. That candle's actually insane, bro.
SMT now low of day. Like this is cooked.
Yeah, I mean, look how far ES is from like where NQ is. Like they're both weak, but like I guess ES just is not moving down as much. This is like super odd.
Yep.
It's crazy. SMT a 5 minute where ES literally ticks into it, and then we use that to sell.
That's just dumb on my part. I should have seen that, honestly. Honestly, I don't know why I was looking for longs, really. I mean, I don't know. In hindsight, I guess 2020, but we're super bearish for the day.
Yeah, at this point, I mean, once this hourly closes like this, all these lows on the higher time frame are like low resistance. Now we have all these stacked lows. It's just odd because so like like last time I was looking like on the daily or even just like the hourly, the 4 hour, we haven't been making any lower lows. So like in my head, if we go make a lower low now, like what happens? Because we've only been putting in higher lows on retraces and going higher.
True.
It's like my thought process was like this leg retraces makes another higher low and then we go up. But I guess also in hindsight, like we made a lower low, we didn't take all time highs from that higher low.
True. SMT there as well.
Yeah. Just kind of like weird to read. I mean, you could have formulated both sides easily. It just like, I don't know. Anytime I short through all these like bullish areas, like my luck is we always just bounce.
Yep. Look at this. This is crazy.
Yeah, that is. 5 minutes on the hourly. Like, wow. And then, YM just, calmly buying up. YM just bullish. That's actually insane. Yeah, YM's green on the day by almost 1%. Like, what the fuck? Wow.
Last 15 minutes for valuing up of the leg.
Yeah, this shit is just like melting. Wow, bro. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah. No, I need to straighten up because this is fucked. I'm getting destroyed in these markets right now.
It's like, I just want to know, like, what is this? Like, what's even sponsoring this 330 point or 300 point move down? Like,
Dude beats me. The SMT at the top.
for chance, like, it's insane. Huh.
Yeah, we're gonna be running 2 Lucid accounts, 2 Lucid like free giveaways. So make sure you guys check the announcements later today.
Fire. Bro, did you see the joke Jimmy Kimmel made at Trump's wife?
No.
Bro, that shit was like that shit was fucked.
Really?
Bro said something about like Melania, whatever. She was sitting there, like everyone was sitting there. And I guess I don't know if this was supposed to be like a stand-up bit or if this was like supposed to be playing. I don't know what, but she did not look thrilled. He goes, "You look as beautiful as ever, glowing. You look like a wife who's about to be widowed soon or something. Like a wife waiting to be widowed or some bullshit."
That's crazy.
And I don't think anyone in the crowd like laughed. Like that shit was like you can't say that after like Trump actually almost got assassinated.
Yeah, bro. 3 different times too.
And then Trump told ABC that he asked, he was like, when are they gonna fire the super unfunny Jimmy Kimmel?
Wow.
He said ABC fake news. When is ABC fake news gonna fire him?
Wow.
That shit was crazy. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Ever since like this war started, like this market's just fried. Like even this whole all-time high run, it's like this shit is fucking it's fucked.
Mm-hmm. Shit is fucked. Bro, Intel hit $100 last night
Jesus.
and then instantly rejected off.
Profit takers. My thing is, so how do those shares move overnight like that though? Because
Well, that's my thing because there's no way we get to $100 and people are actually selling like overnight. Like how does that work?
there's got to be a pool. There's got to be some kind of a pool where you can move around shares some way, like during the after hours.
Mm-hmm.
Because like that's the only way the markets are gonna move after hours, right? There has to be money moving around.
There has to
I just
be.
don't know how they do it.
Yeah. No, you're
Because like
right.
basically with that, it's like you couldn't take a trim overnight because it was overnight.
Here comes London.
Jeez, I'll count for 1 sec. I don't know. I gotta go and see how people formulated short today. To be honest, like I gotta see like
Honestly, the only
I
thing
gotta
is
understand it
that 5 minute. That's it. That's the only thing that I saw. Like,
from
and
the
even
top.
then, like, it's just an inverse. Like, it's not even like Doji's
Yeah,
like
like
that.
it's like an inverse into like a bunch of other like bullish areas that we could bounce. Like you're like we're hitting a bunch of like opening levels, a bunch of gaps on the higher time frame, like fibs. I just got another thought process because I mean like there's obviously a reason I guess why you could have faded long, but like I have to know like why people would have faded long when NQ was 70 points from all time highs pre-market.
He's gonna say the low resistance liquidity. I already know it.
If you didn't see this LRLR built up by the Tory trades indicator, you're a donut. Mm. And at the same time, too, it's like there hasn't been any point while we've moved down where there's no SMT at the bottom with the ES and NQ.
Wait, say it again.
Like this whole leg down, like there hasn't been one point where ES and NQ haven't had an SMT at the bottom.
Wow. Wow.
Like this whole leg down, as we move down, there's constant SMT with ES. So that's another thing. I don't know. It just looked weird. Like
Today feels like a manipulation day. Like it doesn't feel like this is really like a down day. Like I don't know how to explain it.
I just wouldn't have anticipated a short, and even then, maybe not even a short like this far down. I mean, this is overnight sold off 400 something points, bought back up 300 and something, and now we're selling off another 300. That's insane. Definitely very odd.
Yeah.
And now they're playing around with anyone that has TPs in London.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't really see any kind of like bearish like news or like tweets or anything. I'm not really sure. Like that's why I was like wondering like what this move is sponsored of, because usually when we just plummet or just spike up, there's something that goes with it
Mm-hmm.
in these markets. You heard they said some shit about how they're gonna investigate like those whales that were making all that money on oil.
Yeah, they're not gonna do shit. Did you see? I don't know.
You're right.
I don't know if this is 100% true, but like, didn't Trump? There was something with the FTC, FCTC where it's like different.
Oh yeah, they basically made it so the guy that does the or like whoever does the investigations
Mhm.
like from them, they like they basically just told him don't do it.
Well,
Like
so it's even deeper than that. So it's like the SEC can go after like stock manipulation and stuff, right? So like it can go in for like insider trading, but since the trade was placed on the futures market, the FCTC is in charge of the futures market. So the SEC couldn't go after them. So it's like a completely different thing, and there's like no like thing for insider trading
there's
with
no
the FTC.
penalty.
Yeah.
That's weird as shit. There was some guy like a long time ago, and he did some like wild shit. I don't even know how he like managed to do this, but he found a way to put fake orders in the like into the pools. So
Wow.
like to like basically finesse like institutions. So he would like put a shit ton of fake orders in the pools. Institutions would like fall for it, and then he would go and trade like the
The
true
opposite.
direction, and
Yeah.
he printed a shit ton.
Is
But
that
then they eventually caught up to him and took him to jail.
is that illegal though?
he, I mean, it's illegal because he's doing it and not the
Yeah.
government.
Well, yeah. I mean, I guess it's market manipulation, yeah, but
Yeah. Look at this shit. We edged London, you see? Like, what the fuck, bro?
look at the 5 minute, bro.
That's fucked up. Wow. Bruh. Wow.
Order ping ponging. Holy shit.
I'm peeping already. Nah, like, they know they'd be foul, right? If they did that. Buy this shit up and not take the draw we were coming down towards.
Dude, if this inverses and somehow just sends us, like,
Bruh. That's insane. Yeah, these ranges are fucking wild too. That leg up is 90 points.
that's crazy.
It's like, jeez. Gold, gold is up almost 2%. What the fuck happened with? Oh wow,
Wow. I'm watching your screen. That's insane.
jeez, London printed on everything. Gold is fucking rallied.
Mhm.
Huh? It's valid. I'm telling you honestly, dead ass, bro. Well, you know how to trade gold, so I don't know why you fade gold overnight. Because like you literally used to catch like trades on gold with like a 2 point stop.
Honestly, bro, you want to know what it is? And it's so
Hmm.
bad, bro. I don't know why. Honestly, I hate to say it, it was Brosy, bro. Because, like, he used to tell me, like, don't trade overnight, don't trade gold, only trade NQ during, AM session. Like, that,
Hmm.
I don't know. I used to fade it, bro, and I used to fucking trade so well overnight. I don't know. Honestly, dude, I'm just gonna stop, bro. I'm gonna
Bro,
stop trading here.
if I would have listened to like a lot of shit that Barrosi told me, I probably would not
Yeah.
have like secured a lot in payouts or like whatever. There was a point where like I was taking like it was like those 1 hour trades where it was like pure discretion trades. Like you would look at my trade and be like, why would you enter there?
Yeah.
And then like Barrosi would tell me like, bro, I feel like you just take anything. I think that was in like July, and then I proceeded to go 7 months like securing payouts.
Yeah. See, like, that's. Yeah. Honestly, like, I hate
I mean,
to.
the thing is like everyone has their own trading style, so it's like
Yeah.
even if you got a mentor, like you can never like replicate a mentor because like you're gonna have to build your own edge. And like
100%.
low key, you used to just like you probably used to just hop on your phone, see something on gold, and then just take it with no like thought.
Exactly. Well, that's exactly what I used to do, honestly.
And then
It's
it's like as long as you're sizing like accordingly, like 300 stop. It's like if you get stopped, like cool, like you didn't use all your chips up.
I'm fine with that, yeah.
So yeah, I mean honestly, like even if you don't trade it, like what I was doing, I was like forward testing gold for a couple weeks, and then like decided to like start putting risk on after a little bit.
hmm
And I mean honestly, like my last payout was literally all from gold, pretty much. I think there was one day that was green from NQ, but
Wow.
every other day was overnight gold,
Wow.
literally. And then I come back to trade NQ, and then I literally get rinsed.
And it's just garbage, yeah. See, that's my
Yeah.
issue, honestly. It's like I can read price action very well, but New York AM just chops me up so much, bro.
I think I do. I do believe in like market cycles, and I do think like this is potentially a cycle where like the New York session just I guess isn't as perfect as we're used to it being.
Hmm.
Like we're seeing like volume cycle into like overnight providing clean structure, and like overnight running off of like technicals more.
Hmm.
And like now New York is running off of fundamentals. Like we get into 9 a.m. and they're tweeting and they're talking about the war and they're like lying and etc.
100%. No, you're right.
And then it's like any trade you get and you're like, please don't tweet. Like it's fucked. Like you shouldn't have to do that. But I mean, honestly, I would just look at gold and then you used to take like the craziest trades. And then a lot of days, like you'd come into New York with good buffer from gold where like you could afford one loss in New York and still have a good green day
And be
because of
chilling.
gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What just happened there? That was weird. What and also fuck, what was I gonna say? Um I don't know. But yeah, like I just had such a clear like reading of gold like back then. I don't know why I ever stopped, honestly.
Yeah. I don't know. You were just trading and then like all of a sudden I never saw you trading. I was like, huh.
Yeah, honestly. And all my best trades have come from gold, honestly. Like my biggest trades have come from gold overnight.
Yeah. It's because gold trends and it's like, it's not as manipulative. So when you're like seeing a trend play out, like majority of the time it's going to play. Otherwise, like variance can hit you. And then like, that's just like the game.
Exactly, yeah.
Like I know for a fact, like if you took advantage of like commodities in January, you would have printed because I couldn't read commodities like then I wasn't trading them, so I couldn't trade that shit. But you would have taken advantage.
No, 100%. But I honestly, I'm gonna stop listening to other people. Like you know what I mean. Like I'm.
Yeah, I mean you got to take like everything with like a grain of salt because
Yeah.
like what works for someone else is not always going to work for you. That's just like that's how anything goes, like any niche.
No, 100%.
And like realistically, like when you just went based on your own thought process, like before, like you were seeing like exponential progress.
100%, dude. Yeah, I need to stop.
You just gotta like you just can't like overanalyze anything. Like honestly, it's just like you literally just gotta use like muscle memory. It's like it sounds like I guess it sounds like simple and dumb, but like realistically, it's like it really is like a video game because it's like I think AB made a video the other day
Yeah.
and he made like the perfect comparison. He's like, you remember like playing COD and you put thousands of hours, like you started off like shit, and then at some point you're pre-firing people and they think you're cheating.
Mm-hmm.
He was like, that's exactly how trading is. Like you build intuition and then over time you're just using muscle memory like a robot, and then it's just you versus variance.
Yeah, dude. Honestly, I've been in the gutter. I need to snap out of this shit.
The other thing too, like what you could do too is like honestly like with the evals, like what I did, like I was like churning through evals. What I did, I just like took time and just actually took setups and took lighter size and like took a full trading week to get them done.
Dude, and what's crazy is like the evals is not even the hard part. Like I can pass evals no problem, and then I get onto the
Mhm.
funded. I'll get like 2 to 3 days, and like I don't know why. Like I take a loss and like, oh, this day didn't count, and I need to fucking try and make it back. It's just like it's garbage. It's just dumb as
Naturally,
fuck.
like you just want like a full green calendar.
Exactly.
Like
Yeah.
everyone, I mean, anyone would want that. No one wants to lose.
Hmm.
But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I've been like one of my main things is just being able to like take a red day. Like I don't like taking red days, but like I've been trying to do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And like the thing is too, like once you're snowballing, like you can literally just get like straight to fundeds with firms and then just like never have to worry about evals. You just get straight to fundeds and just print those.
Hmm. But honestly, the straight to funded's like they're expensive as hell.
Yeah, like for ROI, yeah, it's like the ROI isn't like that insane. You basically have to get them with the plan of like keeping them for a month to 2 months
Hmm.
and like really like compounding on them. The shit's still struggling to go take London.
It's crazy, bro. Once it takes
Of
London,
course.
I'm probably done.
Yeah, same, yeah. That would be the draw.
Yo,
They
we
just gotta
just.
tell us the truth. You said what?
I was just gonna say, yo, everyone, I just posted the announcement. you guys want to just go react to the message real quick.
Let me see.
You guys be entered for the giveaway.
Fire. I think FA added you in the future shit. Like,
Did he?
FA is hilarious. Like, the way he like types is, I don't know. It's just funny.
Bro, the thing is, bro, we need to I need to get mods, bro, because I can't watch the futures chat like that.
I think. Do I have the? I don't even know. I haven't even checked. I low key think I have the ability. Like, you just ban those people, right?
Yeah. I just literally ban them for like remove all the messages for the last 7 days, and then just ban them.
I think I can do as much as like kick people, but I can't ban them.
Okay. We'll get you permissions then.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Bro, those like gold bots on live, they have to go away. They have to go away. Bro, I pull up the gold chart. Like, I was watching NQ on live, completely fine. The second I pulled the gold chart, all the accounts start flooding. Like, are we dead ass?
Mm-hmm. It's crazy because it's like they have like they know, like, if gold's on the
screen. Yeah, that shit is insane. They sat there and coded Claude and they did that shit with it.
Mm-hmm. Bro, LLY.
Mm-hmm.
I bought LLY, bro. It's up $72 today.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Like, that shit's gonna blast off because literally every single person is just like taking peptides now.
Bro, every person, dude.
It's actually insane.
Yeah, FA is a clown, bro. It's so funny.
FA is funny as shit. See, look at this shit. This shit is weird. Like, we still won't go for London.
It's fucked, bro. It's so fucked.
So, like, what? Even for anyone that's short, you're like sitting here pulling your hair out about this shit.
Bro, we ticked the daily open.
Yeah, literally, right? True day open, tick the shit out of it.
Mm-hmm.
And then just like this is zigzagging it. That is insane.
Yeah, alright. This weekend I'm gonna try and find. I'm gonna try and get you perms. I'm gonna give FA perms, and then I'll see like next week if it's better. If not, then we might have to honestly like get an actual moderator for the Discord.
Yeah, perhaps. I don't know if there's a way. There might be a way. Nah, I mean, I was gonna say there might be a way to code AI to like be able to read to see which are bots and which aren't, but I don't think.
See, we had that in the beginning, like no message, like no images or no links, but then people obviously want to send stuff, you know, like.
Yeah. Honestly, you probably would just have to get a proper mod, to be honest.
Yeah. Just pay someone. Like,
just go on Fiverr. You go on Fiverr, find some guy from the Philippines.
Pay some Indian like $500. Yo, Hyman.
Bro, not even, bro.
Hyman.
Yo, Hyman, I got a job for you.
Oh, shit, he's not here. Volts, I got a job for you, brother. Like $500 a month?
Bro, it's crazy. I'm pretty sure on like Fiverr, bro, you can give those guys like shit. I've heard like people like will give them like $20 a week, and that shit is like fine. It's because the currency there is fucked, bro.
Volts, that ass. I'll talk to the team. We'll give you some money though. We'll see if we can get you a moderator. Buy you like a funded a month or something. Buy you 2 fundeds per month.
2 fundeds a month. Rohan said he put a magnet at London Lows. Don't worry. Bet. Solid. I'm going to full port everything now.
Come on, Rohan. This shit, I can't believe it, bro. Pull out everything.
Yeah, take the trend lines out. Get the supply and demand out. Let's see where we are based on astronomy, right? We might be, the sun might be in a certain spot. Bro, Bonka literally trades rise zones. Like, he trades zones based on the fucking sun, and they work. Mm-hmm. I don't understand that shit.
I don't get it either.
It's like, it's actually the most weird shit. Like, it might be like borderline quant without formulas. Take it for one evo.
If I'm gonna touch you, no, touch yourself. Volts, yeah, no, I'm gonna talk to the team. I'm gonna see if we can, if literally all your job is to just ban those people that like come into the server and, you know, try and send those messages. Yeah, we'll give you like a funded, no problem.
Rohan asked if you guys needed a mod for TikTok still.
So the thing is, Rohan, I mean, like, sometimes. Like, see, like we don't do it in the morning anymore. So if we were still doing it in the morning, 100%, like we would definitely need a mod. But I don't know, like I don't know. Also, as soon as we switched from the TikToks to just the Discord, the amount of people dropped a shit ton too.
Yeah, I guess we just have to like I guess show the value in the lives.
People want free sauce too.
I mean, yeah.
There's
I mean, that shit was free for a fucking while.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, we got up to like 50 people at one point. Honestly.
I'm pretty sure we were live even before I ran Apex.
Yeah. Good shit, Rohan.
Let's go, the magnet.
Tori A+.
We did get 2 taps of the trend line, and the third tap did send us to the draw on liquidity.
Wow.
W-Tor trades.
W-Tor trades. Now that we broke London, watch it plummet like 700 points to the downside now.
Deadass. I mean, now, yeah, we're in that like low resistance territory, at least to like 27k flat, low key.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see this 4 hour. So like, yeah, if we take out 27k flat, we finally put in that lower low on the higher time frame.
Okay.
Break the retrace.
Mm-hmm. So it might be
Watch them.
I mean, look at the.
They're gonna
daily,
send
bro.
us into May, and May is gonna just be the fattest red candle ever.
Mm-hmm. Look at the daily, bro. Look at that daily on NQ.
Let me see. Let me turn my drawings off.
Look at that wick.
Yeah, like
S&T.
swept out all-time highs, S&T.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, what was it, like a open high, low close, I guess?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Open high,
Wow.
low close. That's exactly what we were. Well, I mean, I said that this morning, right? Open high, low close, because there's barely any bottom wick on the daily. I mean,
I should. I don't know why I didn't hear that. I should have looked because, like, yeah, that's super valid right there.
Honestly, I didn't expect us to come like this much. I wanted like a retrace down into one of these 1 hour fair value gaps, make the bottom wick, and then continue higher. But, geez.
That's what I was assuming. But yeah, that is crazy because like the way this looks, it has more of a bottom wick to make on NQ at least.
Oh yeah, for sure.
But then ES on the other hand is still a green candle.
Mm-hmm.
Very odd. But yeah, I could see how that daily could play out for lower. It's actually crazy.
All right, fellas, I'm gonna call it here. If you guys make sure you guys join the giveaway. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Take it easy, boys.
Yep. Peace out, fellas. Peace out, Rob.
Later.
Peace out, Bolts.